Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is basically around the house. Well, today, behind me is an old fluorescent lamp. And it has the old fluorescent bulb in it. Well, I have decided to upgrade from the old fluorescent, which is a T12 or a T9 fluorescent, and I am replacing it with a soft white, not a daylight, a soft white LED non-dimmable. And this one replaces a 15 places a 15 watt T12 or T9 fluorescent. It lasts 44 years based on 3 hours of use, which is about what I do every night, is about 3 hours worth of editing. So, let's see, caution, changing the lamp, turn off power to the fixture to avoid electrical shock. Well, that's common. And use in linear fixtures that contain magnetic, electronic, instant start, rapid start, and programmable start ballast. And that's what that one has. So let's see what we got here. Their LEDs are twice as efficient. So we're going to do that. So this is what fluorescent LED. Got the tips on it. See the guitar tips? Pull those off. Thing is, this is glass. This is a glass. And then you got your strip. You can see the strip, LED strip, right in the middle of it. So the only thing that will break with this is the outside glass. If it breaks, well, the LED, as long as you don't break the strip, the LED will still work. The thing with, take it, turn it. It's been in here for years. You're gonna be a pain, aren't you? Turn them straight across. I'm moving the whole kit and caboodle. This bulb has been in here forever. Alright. Now, this is a T. When the fluorescent starts to go bad, you're going to see the ends right here start getting black, start gray. As you can see, you can start seeing the outlay of it starting to burn out. And when they finally go out, this area from here over will be black. And where's this one, a T? My glasses, I can't see it. Some people say you don't want to be working on the LED light, but no, I can't make it out. Okay, but if you measure, you can see they're the same length, an 18 inch. I'm excited because I want to know what the, as you can see, the light prior And we'll go ahead and put this one in. And I think you got to make sure that the LED, make sure that the strip, that's what this is right here. See the strip? This faces you as you go, as you're putting it in. Okay. So with that said, this way here, push it all the way back, and then, well, I don't even think you have to even worry about doing it. And it looks like the you've got these little lines that line it up right here. And I don't think you even have to twist it. I used to say one time I used to have to twist them, but we'll see here in a second. We'll see the difference in the colors. Whoa, man, it's instant. Oh yeah, there you go. That don't take anything. And I know the new fluorescent bulbs, when they put them in, they get away from the ballast completely, and they just hardwire them to 120. So this one you don't have to do that because it's set to work with interchangeable. Just put it in and use it. Now I think these are like 120. What was I saying? I don't know what the difference in the use is. It'll probably take a little while for that to warm up. But that is a soft white bulb right now. So, and I don't know. I know they're about 50% more efficient. LED T8/T12 tube installation. So there you go, boys and girls. You want to replace your desk lamps from the if you're using regular fluorescent. And what I was going to say before, if you break one of these, better hold your breath, because it's gas. There's gas in here, and also I'm not sure what the powder is in here, but this can actually explode because it's gas filled. Where that's not gas filled, it's just got a piece of glass tubing over a piece of LED, and it doesn't get hot. This gets a little warm, but that's the way that goes. And I paid $7 for this thing at Walmart. And I know I don't know exactly. It says 5-year warranty. Just return defective product to the claims department. So I guess I gotta keep this and the receipt for 5 years. Oh my word. Oh, making them 50% more efficient than fluorescent. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Around the House.